Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Supply at Me Capital PLC, and we are going to discuss the overall trend. So first of all, let's start with the current share price action because we are looking at a monthly chart. So let me go back to weekly chart and let's just look at the share price action where the stock has already risen 1788% in the past 1 month. Okay, so that's what makes it I mean like a highlighted stock, you can say, because if a stock can give you 17 1800% of return, what else you can expect from anything apart from stock market or any other platform. I'm not trying to link it with gambling or any sort of thing because stock market does require lots of study and lots of live practitioner thing so that people learn something out of it. So I'm not at all trying to mix up both the things, but these kind of moves does remind of something which are very dangerous. Okay, so let's just understand, if a stock can give you 17 1800 returns, percentage of returns, or give become a 10 or 20 bagger stock in a span of 30 days. So there is a thing that the sharper the rise, the sharper the fall. But the kind of stock it is simply a penny stock where it has just risen from 4 cent to 75 76 cent, and not even moved to a single digit. So these kind of moves does hard to predict, and when these moves start, these are like a fast roller coaster ride. So if you are able to ride it on at a right time, both at the start and at the end, so obviously you can become a multi-bagger. But how long it continues, nobody knows about that. So in that sense, you should be a bit, I can't say more risky, more careful. So that should be a probable word for that. But you have to be a bit, risk averse and look at the situation, what are the things that are going on, because these kind of moves, if fizzles out, can cause you a big damage. Okay, so though it's become already become a multi-bagger, and I'm not saying that it will not go up much higher from the current level, but what does happen, or probably what does happen, is if this kind of rally fizzle out, then the share price fall could be very large, because 50% of the current rally correction, or 50% of the current rally, nobody can miss us out. Okay, so that's the actual nature. So you should be ready for those kind of activities. Right now, if you look at the monthly chart, first of all, you one should understand one thing, and which is most important, that it's a bear market chart. So if you look at the chart since 2009, the stock has fallen till 2020, and this is the trend. Okay, this is the trend where the stock has fallen till 2020. So it's a bear market chart, and bear market rallies can be very sharp, and when it comes to penny stock, it can become 20 30 bagger. Okay, so that's where the trick lies, because if somebody made 20 30 bagger, can I say that you should stay away from the penny stock? No, I can't. For But it is for that person, because you won't find much like them who know where to enter and where to exit. And if somebody enters into these kind of risky trades and unable to understand the particular game, what does happen, he or she may burn their hands, and will be burned very badly. So you should understand these things and act accordingly. Okay, so though I may or might sound very cautious, so but one thing one must understand, or the thing one must understand is that risk or discipline is what we take as our first or the utmost priority before thinking about the profit. So anyhow, if we are looking at the long term trend, what we could probably see is your first support will come at around 24.24 cent. Okay, and below that the support will come at around 0.03. So you should understand the gravity of the fall if that happens. And on the upside, the stock or the share could move towards 1.9 to 2. Okay, but understand one thing, this is a long term resistance 1.9 to 2, and by that time if it moves towards 1.9 or 2, by that time the stock has by that time the stock has been risen by 4500 or 600 odd percent. So if the stock again start correcting, so you can't complain anything about it. So that's what you need to understand. Okay, and if you want this stock or this particular script continue to go higher, then the stock must cross 10.58. Unless it crosses 10.58, we can consider it as a sharp bounce back, but we cannot consider it as a rebound. Okay, as I've already told you that the share market bear market rallies are very sharp and very short. Okay, so it can give you multi-bagger returns, which has already given by this stock, and the stock is continuously moving on the upside. So this is the thing, and the stock may rise and sustain above 7.55 to 10 or 11, which are probably this is the range above which if the stock sustain, we can call it as a rebound, and the levels beyond 11 could be 22 and 79. Okay, but what I'm saying is I mean, let me just give you in terms of share price. I'm talking about 1,70,000% or 170,000 percentage of returns. Okay, so these kind of returns, I mean, if stock gives phenomenal, but the kind of risk you are carrying with yourself, so you should understand that the stock does have enough liquidity so that whenever you want or sense any kind of risk, you should move out immediately. Okay, neither I'm saying that the stock will go down, nor I'm saying that it will continuously go up. What I'm saying is, with this kind of rise, you cannot expect a particular script to go up higher like there is no tomorrow. So there will be something which will happen sometime, nobody knows. What we can do is just, if you are unable to assess the risk, and here with the help of support and resistance level, if you can assess the risk and satisfy yourself with a certain level, then it would be better for somebody who knows that this is enough for me for this script, rather than those who can ride the entire momentum. That may be the way to do, but if fail to analyze or look at the change of trend, then it will completely become his or her nightmare. So that is the thing you need to understand here. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.